Hello, good morning. So, going to take a look at Sensex and BankEx expiry. So, let's see what levels we are seeing. If there's anything important. So, this is Sensex monthly chart. Currently, they create this volume imbalance. This area there was no body, so we, as expected, market has started to fully cover this area of the body. अभी ये area remaining है on this monthly volume imbalance, so very crucial. Or because this down candle once monthly next month ने इसको overshoot किया था, so basically the opening price becomes pretty sensitive, and actually the area, the entire wick and the opening price becomes pretty sensitive, so should keep that level in check. Generally I've seen like market थोड़ा इस level पे आके market generally just touches and then यहाँ से rebound आता है, so it's one key area I'll be looking at. Also you can measure this wick based on ICT concepts, like we treat wicks as voids, basically gaps. So इसका midpoint किस level पे है, you guys can mark that on your charts. So monthly, I think that's all I wanted to highlight. Let's switch to weekly. Now weekly we have this volume imbalance on the upside. So weekly volume imbalance. So, and again this is also part of the slight area, वो एक fair value gap है along with the volume imbalance, so we capture everything together. So on the upside this is pretty crucial, and then there's this other area which is similar to this one. There is a fair value gap as well as a volume imbalance, so we capture the entire range. और ये जो तो highs हैं, these are pretty close. So again, I know market is currently from many weeks is bearish, so whoever is short in the markets might be thinking of pulling their stop losses at a logical place. So ये एक place लग रही है जहाँ market might come to take this out and then decide कि किस direction में जाना है. So pretty important, these two levels on the upside. Yeah, on the downside I'll wait for this area to clear before I think about any further moves down. Longer term, ये तीन swing lows, if you see, all these three swing lows are pretty near to each other. So again, this becomes kind of a liquidity. वहाँ पे market आके वहीं से market ने turn किया था after kicking out all these equal lows. But yeah, I'll be tracking especially this wick, this low, and then these two lows pretty close, and then there's a major gap as well, but we'll see how market kind of behaves in coming few days. So far it's a bearish sentiment. Let's switch to daily. And in daily we have this area as a volume imbalance. So again, that's overlapping with the weekly, so becomes pretty important. And of course these two equal highs also pretty important. So I think one of the trades I'll be looking at is कि market यहाँ से it goes up like over 76,000 and then 76,300. वहाँ पे if it's taking support and showing me थोड़े fair value gaps on the upside on like 5-15 minutes, and it will be clear कि market is going up to clear this these equal highs. So that's one. And if you see, we have been tracking this area as well, this fair value gap. And if you see, market has like it just perfectly kind of came to this to fill this entire area. So now we can remove this, but I just wanted to show you that if we have like marked areas, you can use that as target. So you see, it's like to the point market has come to fill this fair value gap. So I think now there's this volume imbalance as well on daily. So yeah, it looks like market might tap into this area. So let's switch to 4 hours real quick. Yeah, 4 hours also, it's the same levels. Don't see anything. And as on a 4 hours, these are actually 3 different highs which are pretty near to each other. So let's switch to 1 hour. On the upside, we have few fair value gaps. There's this one fair value gap which is there, bearish. There's small little fair value gap here as well, and then all these equalize. See if we have anything on the downside. Yeah, currently market has filled all this area. A few small little fair value gaps, but I think this area becomes crucial. So yeah, based on like how market is opening, we'll track this area. There's this clear gap as well, which market might and fill in today. There's no trading in this area. Again, I know market sentiments are bearish, but again, that's how market will trap. Market might open flat and then show us a big move down, but then immediately it might retrace and kind of fill this area. There's one trade I think that could be possible today. तो ये देखेंगे कि इन लेवल्स पे basically so at least on this initial 1 hour candle actually this 75,500 level market should retain this and then take support, and if it starts to show ऊपर की तरफ fair value gaps, and I think high probability market might give a big move to fill this gap. So yeah, this is important for today. Again, whatever is the news flow, कुछ भी हो, कुछ भी चल रहा हो, I think we need to stay neutral. Bias नहीं रखना चाहिए when we are going to the markets. So yeah, let's see how it all plays out. Let's quickly switch to BankEx and see if we have any levels. So BankEx actually has filled this volume imbalance. If you see, we were tracking for many days, and finally we have a full candle body on top of this area, so we can just ignore this going forward. BankEx, these two lows looks pretty clean and pretty near, so that is one draw. Monthly, this is the main thing, I think. On weekly, this the upside markets turn slightly bullish. This is one area where my market might come to fill this, the fair value gap. Market ने actually उसमें tap किया है in this previous week. So by looks of it, it should not go above this candle. But अगर market इस candle के ऊपर निकल रही है, this level is 56 340, right? उसके ऊपर निकल रही है, then it will be clear कि market is trying to fill this fair value gap. So that's one trade you can watch. There's another fair value gap on top, but for today I think it's okay not to worry about that. So daily में you can always measure these wicks, whatever the wicks are. Generally, like in this example also, if you see market वो 50% level से ही निकल गई ऊपर वहाँ पे आके, that sweet spot of the 50% of the wick area, वहीं से market ने turn लिया है. So it's always good to measure. Nearby wick ये है तो इसका 50% level is 53,700. So you should keep that on your charts. Yeah, I think there's these three candles also pretty near to each other. These two, so this also becomes liquidity. There's another fair value gap on daily time frame. So yeah, at least 55,300 उसके ऊपर मार्केट सस्टेन कर रही है, fair value gaps बना रही है, then it would be clear कि मार्केट इस एरिया में फिर से आके might try to fill these fair value gaps. So that's one trade I'm looking at. On the downside, I think once this is का midpoint, this wick I think once that 53,700 के नीचे निकल रही मार्केट, then it would be absolutely clear कि मार्केट ने ये equal lows को अटैक करना है. So that's another trade. So yeah, no need to rush, just wait for confirmations is what I'll suggest. Let's switch to 4 hours real quick. Nearby another fair value gap. So and again this was like a balanced price change. पहले मार्केट ने एकदम ऊपर बनाया था fair value gap, and then immediately मार्केट ने रिवर्स कर लिया. So it could be कि मार्केट इस fair value gap में टैप करके वहां से गिरे. So I'll be observing this, like after market takes out these equal highs, how does it react in this area. If अगर पॉजिटिव लग रही है देन इट कुड बी कि मार्केट ऊपर वाले फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स की तरफ जाएगी. But for today, I think this could be a target, this fair value gap. But yeah, watch the midpoint of the fair value gaps as well. So always try to mark the midpoint as well. And downside, I don't see anything else. So on 1 hour, I do see another fair value gap. So again, mark that. Yeah, I think this 55, 54, 950 levels, once market closes above this, I think high probability है कि ये जो fair value gap है fill हो जाएगा, and then ये जो equal highs है market might go and attack this, and then eventually ये fair value gap market might tap into. But if market is opening like below this candle, then I'll wait for market to cross this swing high before taking any bullish trades. We'll see. If the market is extremely bearish, then वो नीचे के जो targets हैं, those equal lows which we have seen on BankEx, that could be potential targets for today. But again, I would bearish trades के लिए ये जो yesterday का low था, I think that should behave as a resistance, और वहाँ से फिर नीचे fair value gaps बनने चाहिए for like confirming कि market is trying to be bearish. So देखते हैं. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel. Please do provide your feedback on this channel, and any questions, comments you have. So please do support the channel. So thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.